Today I got a project I'm going to be doing where I'm going to be adding another modification to the DR power grader. Kind of a long story. I've had this thing about 10 years. Over the years I've had to modify and change and make it work the way I need it to. But let me show you what we got going on as soon as I get up here. This is the DR power grader that I use to maintain the driveway. Basically, it gets pulled behind an ATV. It's got what they call scarification teeth across the front. It's got a drag bar in the back. So basically what it is, this breaks the rocks up. This levels it out, gets rid of potholes, ruts, that sort of thing. You can see I've got a weight secured on here. The weight keeps the grader from bouncing around when it's rough. Also causes it to bite in a little bit better. This originally had a hand operated, I've got a video on when I installed it, had an electric actuator that would raise the scarification teeth up and down. That motor went out, they replaced it under warranty. It went out a second time. It would only last one season. I finally just stuck a chain boomer on here and that works great. Granted, it's not as convenient. You got to get off the tiller to raise it up. You got to get off to let it down. But most of the time when I'm working on the driveway, it's left down anyways, so not a big deal. They also used to have this plastic thing that's about where this weight sets at, that was made to put like 3 concrete blocks in, or it might have been 2. Think about that. Concrete inside of a plastic tub, what's going to happen? It's going to break. So that broke a long time ago. Then I stuck a wooden board on there, piece of plywood. Had the weight on top of the plywood. That worked, but it would always get to where, just because of the weight and how much it bounces around, the weight would slide side to side. Didn't matter if you had it bungeed on there, how you had it on there, ratchet straps. That's kind of what happened. Well, I've been trying to come up with a better solution. Actually, I come up with one several years ago. It's just with cancer, I'm just now getting around to doing it. My idea is to take some standard 1-inch black pipe floor flanges. Look how that fits, as if it was made for it. So I got 2 of these. 2 black pipes. And then the weight will go down below. That's going to be the hard part. You're probably going to have to lay the weight down there, then put the pipe in to hold it in place. So that'll keep it from bouncing around. The weight won't be able to come up because it would hit this up here. And now that I'm looking, might not even work at all. Well, either way, the weight could even lay down against this. It's not a big deal. It'll still work. Worst case scenario is I got to put some caps on it to keep the weight from coming off. But either way, this is going to work a whole lot better. It's basically just drilling some holes, mounting it. I'll show you what I've got when we're done. Might put this on time lapse just so you can see, but it's pretty straightforward. Drill 3 holes in each flange and mount it. I'll probably put it on time lapse. May or may not use the footage though. Alright, so pretty quick job doing this. I'm eventually going to take this off, and where this bar here is at, and there's another bar there, I'm going to put a strip of metal across here and another one of those posts and flanges on top of that metal plate, and put another weight right here, like where that one's at now. But I need to get a piece of metal that will, I don't know what that is, probably 18 inches, might be 24 inches wide, to go across there. Maybe 3 or 4 inches wide by whatever that length is. Weld it in place or screw it in place, and then put another flange and pipe on there. But I think that's going to work pretty good. Now, one thing I will tell you, I stuck those flanges on with decking wood screws because it's all I had on hand right now. And eventually I will take and get some actual bolts for it, but for right now it's all I had, and I wanted to get this done today, so that's one thing off the list, and that's all that matters. Anyways, thanks for watching. As always, God bless you, God bless your families, God bless your homesteads.